Hey, how's everyone doing this fine morning? So today I'm very excited. We're going to be doing a review of the Keurig Cafe Essentials Frother. Just got this in the mail, and let's get the coffee started here, and then we'll go through the opening, unpackaging, and testing of this product. So I'm actually using whole bean coffee, and we've got that grinded there for about 20 seconds. And using a Keurig machine, got one of these guys here that you just pop open, and something really cool, get you one of these little scoopers here, because it makes things a whole lot easier to get that filled in. And we'll get that coffee prepped, and gonna get the milk slash half and half heated up, and then we'll start going through the process. So we got the coffee all ready to go, and the milk, whole milk, or you can use half and half, has already been heated up in the microwave. And here is the Keurig Simple Cafe Essentials Frother. So we have 3 settings on it. The little whisk piece is dishwasher safe, and it is USB chargeable, which is really nice because you go through batteries like crazy on this. So let's get started. Open it up, and we've got the instructions of the little USB cable. Interesting, they use a rubber band instead of a clip or bread tie clip, which is kind of nice. And we've got the wand. And let's see what this guy is. Looks like that's the protective cap to it, and then there's the unit. So I've already looked at the instructions, and it did say to fully charge the unit before use, and the way you can tell that is when you've got it here, flip it over to the back side, and there's 3 LED lights on it. And I'm going to turn it on. I'll show you where the lights are at. So there's the on button right there. You got latte. Hit it another time is for cappuccino, and the third time is for manual operation. But if you flip it around, there's the LED light. So 3 solid lights means it's fully charged. Let's go ahead and get that turned off, and we'll get it installed for you. So real easy. You got the opening there. You got that guy. Just grab it like so. Push lightly until it clips into place, and you are all set. Now when you're done, and obviously you got the unit washed, the little whisk piece, this is the little protective sleeve, and a little hard to see, but there's a little beveled edge right there, and on the unit there's the little bevel edge right there. So you just want to make sure when you put that in, you turn it until you hear it, and then it'll close up. So there it is, nice little protective cover. You can stand it up or put it in your door, whatever you want to do. And then the little charging area is right here under this tab. Now one thing, a lot of these companies now, they are not giving you the little plug if you're going to plug it into an outlet, or if you've got like a USB battery charger, you can just use this USB right into that connection. But essentially just put that guy right in there. Oops, turned it on by accident. And then you put the other side in there. Takes about hour to an hour and a half to fully charge, what I found out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the coffee started. So we got the frother here. We're gonna go ahead and put it in, and we're doing a latte. You just push the power button and it starts on the latte right away. One thing to note, it is automatic, so as soon as it is done, it will automatically turn off. And we went ahead and used 10 ounces of coffee and about 2 to 3 ounces of whole milk on this one. Now, I can tell you from the operation, being that I used a battery operated one in the past, the consistency of the rotation and the speed is much better than the battery operated ones. Seems to be very good in that sense, and it's done. It took about 45 seconds, and there it is. We got our coffee. Just show you there, or latte. And to get this thing clean, real easy. Just pull this guy off, wiggle it back and forth a little bit, and it should come right off. A little stubborn, there it is. Just pulls right off. And like I said, this is dishwasher safe, or in my situation, I'll probably just leave it on and then rinse this piece off with some hot water and then just damp dry it. One thing that's very important, you do not want to submerge this piece in water, and definitely don't put this in the dishwasher. But yeah, that's a review of the Keurig Cafe. Be excited to do the cappuccino and the manual use, but looks like it's very good. You can find this for around $14 to $20. I actually purchased mine on Amazon. There was a deal going on. I believe it was about $15 and some change. So it's got about 4.6 stars. Seems to be work really well. Go ahead and grab you one, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good one, everybody.